Roscoe and I are hiking today down at the Laurel Snow Pocket Wilderness, which is right around Dayton, Tennessee. And I've never been here before. Anyhow, we're going to keep you informed, take some pictures. Roscoe's ready. He's got his pea gun loaded, ready to mark it, sign his name on everything. So here we go. So I guess this used to be all mining area. And I think Bowater was the last one to have it, and they turned it into this nice little wilderness area. Supposed to be some real cool mining remnants left up here. Wow, check this out. It's a cave entrance or a tunnel or something. Wow, this is cool. I'm not even like 100 yards from the parking lot yet. I've already seen like a ton of little waterfalls. This is cool. Probably won't be venturing in there. But pretty neat. Rocky trail. Seemed to be the order of the... Whoa. Currently unavailable to send your message. Oh, I didn't want you to send it anyway. Seemed to be the order of the day lately when I go hiking. But I kind of like the rocks and stuff. Super rugged. This trail is one that you definitely want to watch out for your 2x6 white blazes on the trees. Because there's been a couple of spots. Well, here's one up here I'll show you guys. And they're unfamiliar. Some people call them confidence markers. So you know you're on the right trail. That guy right there. There's been a couple of places where I guess they've been doing some work up here. And there's some trails they've been using for access, which are not the trails. And so I just kind of have to watch where I'm going. Make sure I'm on the right trail. Roscoe and I got turned around once, but okay, we found the trail. Looks like they built a brand new bridge up here, which I'm sure was quite a feat because this section of trail is super rugged. But I'd say this would be a pretty good place to work. I'd build a bridge here. For show. What do you think, Roscoe? Little man ham, what are you doing on that bridge? I think this must be Laurel Falls. The other trail is Snow Falls. That's pretty cool. And we just got this long shelf. Look at that. Up here, through the rocks. This way. No, not literally. This way. Up here. There you go. Come on, up here. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, little mountain goat. Hi. Next marker, please. There's some huge rocks, man. Just gigantic. Oh, there's the waterfall again. Roscoe and I are walking along and we come to this area which is just a bunch of big rocks And it looks like the trail goes that way, but it doesn't. No markers. Trail runs out at the creek. So I got these two guys right here, and the only thing I can think is that this trail goes up here in this creepy. I'm not going up in there. Ugh, no way, man. I don't even know if that's the way you're supposed to go. I mean, I can't see nothing on the other side, and I can't see any white blazes. Or oh, there's a white blaze right there. So I do have to go up through there. Roscoe and I decided against the creepy spider hole. And now we're just heading out this trail to Snow Falls, which seems way less rocky and way better marked and more traveled. So maybe if I come back here with somebody sometime, I'll attempt that squeeze through the rocks, but I just wasn't into it, so we're going this way. I did a video of this bridge. I had to carry Roscoe across it, so I'm just going back. I left him tied up at the other end. Ooh, it's a wobbly thing. I don't know how long this thing's been here. Anyway, see, it's a series of these metal bridges that go down. They're pretty cool. I mean, they seem pretty sturdy. It's a little bit wobbly, and then we cross the river down there. And Roscoe's like, Mom, don't leave me. I'm coming back, buddy. Here I come. Continuing on our way to Snow Falls. I'm assuming. That's what the sign said. Yes, it did. Definitely the more popular trail after crossing the bridge. Roscoe and I ran into 4 runners, trail runners, and the trail obviously had gotten a lot more broad, and you can tell that it's more trafficked, more heavily trafficked than that other way. So anyway, we're just rolling along. Roscoe just stopped and got a sip out of the river. Okay, I can't find the trail. I've lost the trail. There's a bunch of stuff that looks like a trail, and then you follow it, and then it ends in nothing. I don't know what happened. But, we're going back, I guess, because I can't find this trail. I did find a sign with an arrow on it pointing, but there wasn't a trail even where the sign was, so I don't have a clue. I give up. We're going back. We did not find the falls. We did not find the overlook. So, whatever. We're going back. Party over. Damn it, Jim. I'm sure that the trail is down here somewhere in this deadfall. It says main trail. That I went that way. But there's this trail. I don't know. To me, it looks like it's pointing that way. That way that we just came. Alright, me and Roscoe are back on the main trail that goes back to the car. We just come down off the higher elevation. We're back down by the big river. I think we're like, I don't know, maybe a mile or something from the car, mile and a quarter. Probably going to stop up here in a minute so Roscoe can get a sip of water. Anyway, I think the reason that I lost the trail was because there hasn't been a lot of access to this area since they had to rebuild that brand new bridge, and I think they just haven't had a chance to get up there and do trail maintenance, so all the down trees have obscured the trail. So I'll probably come back up here, maybe bring Todd and Tim or something, have an adventure. Maybe in the fall when more people have been back up here and they've had a chance to do some trail maintenance. But anyway, it's a super cool trail. I highly recommend it, even in its current state of navigational wonkiness. Take some pictures back towards the end of some of the waterfalls I passed before. So anyway, that's it.